Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to review Bizee LLC, which is the business formation service formerly known as InkFile. If you're thinking about starting an LLC and want a reliable, affordable, and beginner-friendly option, Bizee is one of the most popular names you'll come across. Let's go over what they offer, how it works, and the main pros and cons so you can decide if it's the right choice for your business. One of the biggest reasons people choose Bizee is the pricing. They have a free LLC formation package where you only pay the state filing fees. That's a huge advantage compared to many competitors who charge service fees on top of what the state requires. With the free package, you get the basics needed to form your LLC, and the platform guides you step by step through the paperwork, so you don't have to worry about complicated forms or making mistakes. Bizee also includes a full year of registered agent service at no cost, which is very valuable, since every LLC is legally required to have one. A registered agent receives official legal and tax documents on behalf of your business, keeping your personal address private and ensuring you never miss important notices. After the first year, this renews at a fee, so it's something to plan for long term. Beyond the basics, Bizee offers a variety of add-on services like EIN registration, operating agreements, annual compliance reminders, and even help with business licenses. They also provide lifetime alerts to let you know when important state filings are due, which is especially helpful for staying compliant year after year. The platform is simple to use, with clear instructions that make the process stress-free for first-time business owners. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest pro is affordability. Being able to form an LLC for just the state fee is hard to beat. Another strength is convenience. Bizee takes care of the paperwork and compliance reminders so you can focus on running your business. On the downside, while the first year of registered agent service is free, the renewal cost can feel high, and their checkout process does push extra services, which some users find a little overwhelming. Customer support is also decent, but not always the fastest compared to premium services. So, is Bizee LLC right for you? If you're a new entrepreneur, on a budget, or just want a straightforward way to get your LLC formed quickly, Bizee is an excellent option. It covers all the essentials, provides solid value, and keeps things simple. But if you want more personalized customer support or bundled long-term features, you might also consider looking at alternatives like ZenBusiness or LegalZoom. Overall, Bizee is a strong choice for forming an LLC without breaking the bank, and it's especially appealing for small business owners who just want to get started the easy way. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.